To keep me from going cuckoo for the more chocolatey taste of Cocoa Puffs, I'm going to ride up and down in this elevator all day.
11th floor, crunchy.
Crunchy?
12th floor, crunchy.
Crunchy!
13th floor.
More chocolatey? That's Cocoa Puffs! Yay! I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs! Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs! More chocolatey tasty Cocoa Puffs, part of this balanced breakfast with 10 important vitamins and minerals. Being cuckoo sure has its ups and downs. To keep me from going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, I'm going to lock in this chocolatey safe. Cocoa Puffs are everything chocolatey. Cuckoo. Wait a minute. It's Cocoa Puffs. Don't stop. Whoa. Cocoa Puffs. They're chocolatey. I give up. I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs turns everything chocolatey, even the milk. There's no escaping chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. Part of your good breakfast. On this deserted island, I will go cuckoo for it. Go cuckoo. Go cuckoo. Cocoa Puffs chocolate. Cocoa Puffs chocolate. Cocoa Puffs has the ultimate chocolatey taste that turns everything chocolatey, even the milk. Cocoa Puffs, part of this good breakfast. Hey, do you love Cocoa Puffs? Cocoa Puffs experiment. How long does it take Sunny to go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs? Begin countdown now. So chocolatey. I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs, the ultimate chocolatey taste. Super chocolatey crunch and makes super chocolatey milk. Cocoa Puffs, the chocolatey part of this good breakfast. I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Waiting. What you waiting for, kid?
Saturday?
The wait is over. 50% more cocoa. I taste the cocoa. Fasten your seatbelts. Unleash the taste of Saturday with Cocoa Puffs. Now with 50% more cocoa, part of a good breakfast. To keep me from going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, I'm going to lock in this chocolatey safe. Cocoa Puffs are everything chocolatey. Cuckoo. Wait a minute. It's Cocoa Puffs. Don't stop. Whoa. Cocoa Puffs. They're chocolatey. I give up. I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs turns everything chocolatey, even the milk. There's no escaping chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. Part of your good breakfast. You're gonna keep Cocoa Puffs away from me! But why? It turns everything chocolatey. Only make me go cuckoo. With a red munchie. Crunch. Cocoa Puffs. Chocolate. See? I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs has the ultimate chocolatey taste that turns everything chocolatey. Even the milk. Chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. Part of a good breakfast. I'm slightly guilty of being delicious. More chocolatey! To keep from going cuckoo for Shanji, this is a fancy restaurant. Welcome to Share Chocolate. Your breakfast, sir, is the ultimate in munching. Crunchy. Please say chocolatey. No. Chocolatey. Cocoa Puffs. The ultimate chocolate experience. Cocoa Puff cereal, part of a good breakfast. Those super chocolatey puffs that turn milk into super chocolatey milk. So yummy. Cocoa Puffs, part of this good breakfast. Mission log. To keep from going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, I've blasted into outer space. Huh? The Milky Way is really milk, Cocoa Puffs, and now chocolatey stars too. Chocolatey stars. I'm Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs for stars. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs for stars. Cocoa Puffs turns everything chocolatey, even the milk. Part of this good breakfast. New Cocoa Puffs for stars. Now on Earth for a limited time. One small bite for bird, one giant leap for ultimate chocolatey taste. keep selling a cold Cuckoo and hide Cocoa Puffs in this room. Perhaps I'm not hiding Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs? Don't go Cuckoo on me, boy. I'm not Cuckoo. Don't open that door then, cause there's munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs in there. Munchy, crunchy, chocolatey. You opened the door, didn't you? I am Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs should be the chocolatey part of a quick breakfast. I decided a cuckoo bird to keep myself from going cuckoo for this complete breakfast with munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. I could watch some TV. I love you. Boy. And then you get the boring. Crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. Yahoo! I'm Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs. Well, that's what I call a cuckoo commercial. To keep me sorry, the Cuckoo Bird from going cuckoo for a complete breakfast with munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. You gotta love me. Yeah. Hello? You don't say. You don't say. You don't say. Who was it? He didn't say. Well, what did he say? He said munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. Next time, send me a postcard. Young friends, this is a cuckoo bird. Pop, pop, Cocoa Pops, yum, yum, yum. Pop, wanna have some fun? Watch. Watch out because I'm Cocoa Pops. It happens all the time. It's because Cocoa Puffs are made with delicious Hershey's cocoa. Luscious little chocolate crisp corn puffs. It caught me by surprise. Oh no, I can't resist them. Another Big G cereal from General Mills. Dancing! That'll keep me from going cuckoo for my favorite cereal. Delicious, munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. It's part of this good, nutritious breakfast. Please don't fail me now. Daddy, care to dance to our song? Hit it, boy. Pop, pop, Cocoa Puffs. Chocolate baking Cocoa Puffs. Crunchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. Yahoo! I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Safari, so good. Out here I will go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs with its crunch, chocolatey taste. It's part of this good, nutritious breakfast. Maybe it's so friendly. Cocoa Puffs, little crunchy Cocoa Puffs. Delicious, chocolatey taste. Yahoo! I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. I'm hung up on their delicious chocolatey taste. Flying up here in this balloon, there's nothing to make me go cuckoo for my favorite cereal. Delicious, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. It's part of this good, nutritious breakfast. I'll pop it away. Hey, Sonny, what do you say? Up with the munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs. I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. I really blew that one. Locking myself into the boost of this choo-choo will keep me from going cuckoo for my favorite cereal. Delicious, munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. It's part of this nutritious breakfast. See? I told you I wouldn't go cuckoo. Choo-choo! Cocoa Puffs. Yeah! Whose favorite Cocoa Puffs? Munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. Yahoo! Cocoa Puffs! Yahoo! Cocoa Puffs! Cocoa Puffs! I think I should have taken the bus. Cocoa Puffs great taste makes me cuckoo. I'll just keep my mind busy with this. 10-letter word for taste, chocolatey. 7-letter word for cereal sound, crunchy, crunchy. It's all about Cocoa Puffs. And I eat Cocoa Puffs. It's the chocolatey part of good breakfast. Meow. Extra, extra new chocolate and vanilla Cocoa Puffs combo cereal. With chocolate and vanilla combined, there's no escape. Don't go Cuckoo. Go. Chocolate vanilla, that's Cocoa. What a combo. Let's go for Cocoa Puffs. Go for Cocoa Puffs. Two chocolate vanilla Cocoa Puffs combos. Part of this good breakfast. Now, holes everywhere. Hi there. Shh. Excuse me. Shh. Hushville, huh? Pretty quiet place. I wonder if it's too quiet for the big crunch of Cocoa Puffs, the chocolatey part of this complete breakfast. Oh, I'm cuckoo for these big chocolatey crunchy puffs. Uh-oh. No, Sonny's... Oops, sorry. No, Sonny's in jail for crunching Cocoa Puffs too loud in Hushville. Will he get out? Last time, Sonny was thrown in jail for crunching Cocoa Puffs in Hushville. Now he must face the king. Sonny's writing him a note. It says Cocoa Puffs have king-size crunch. The king has asked for Cocoa Puffs, the chocolatey part of this complete breakfast. Here goes. Yahoo! Big Cocoa Puff is right. Ready, that's Cocoa Puff. Hooray! No, Hushville's got a new name. Chocolate Punchville. Kids, now you can get your own Hushville pad and specially made boxes of Cocoa Puffs. Sonny's making the chocolatiest Cocoa Puffs ever, with twice the Hershey's cocoa. It's a double blast of Hershey's. Uh-oh! It's gonna blow! What a blast! It's the chocolatiest tasting Cocoa Puffs ever! A double blast of Hershey's in every bite! We're Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs! New Cocoa Puffs is the chocolatier part of this good breakfast. Cocoa Puffs, the chocolatey puff with a double blast of Hershey's milk. I'll mail myself someplace where there's nothing to make me go cuckoo for my favorite cereal. Delicious, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. It's part of the spring delicious breakfast. Cocoa Puffs mail go. Special delivery postcards to Sonny. He's not in. Say, Cocoa Puffs. Chocolatey Cocoa. Crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. Yahoo! I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Boy, did I get the message. Last time we got Sonny lost in Cuckoo Town. I just gotta get home. Even in Cuckoo Town, I can't resist the delicious taste of Cocoa Puffs. The chocolatey part of this complete breakfast. Whoa, now it's raining Cocoa Puffs. I'll be swamped in munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Hey, I'm back home. Oh, Sonny. Oh, no. Here we go again. Oh, wait a second. Here I will go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs with its yummy chocolate taste. It's a luscious part of a good breakfast. And now the great flapping Sonny No. Oh, I should have been a clown. Sonny, dropped by the trapeze. Puff, puff, Cocoa Puffs. Crunchy, crunchy Cocoa. Yummy, chocolatey Cocoa. Yum! Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs. I get up